Canada 8, go around it, go around it. Go around it, yeah, Shamrock 168 Echo, 9 left, 6 miles.
Shamrock 168 Echo, continue 409 left, 180 degrees at less than 5. And at Alpha 8, please, expedite.
Alpha 8, expediting as follows.
Just confirm first right is okay. Paper 72 Alpha, land after 09 left, 170 degrees at less than 5.
We're getting rescued. Understood.
Apollo 326, contact ground on 121.9er.
1219, Apollo 326, fine.
Paper 72 Alpha, traffic information on your 1 o'clock, so departure, they're going straight ahead for now, reporting you're turning left.
Okay, that's right.
Shamrock 168 Echo is cleared to land runway 09 left, 170 degrees at less than 5.
Clear land 9 left, Shamrock 168 Echo. Paper 72 Alpha, the left hand.
Paper 72 Alpha, thank you. Continue standard track, climb to altitude 3,000 feet.
Standard track 3,000 feet, speed 72 Alpha.
Paper 72 Alpha, just confirm your passing level.
Paper 72 Alpha, yeah, it's gone through 3,000 with 3,300, descending about 3,000.
Okay, and yeah.
Good afternoon, Chris. 492.
Paper 72 Alpha, turn left, head 340 degrees, climb now to altitude 4,000 feet.
Yeah, that's heading 340 degrees, climbing up 4,000 feet. Paper 72 Alpha.
And Croatia 492, continue for 09 left, 150 degrees at less than 5. Paper 72 Alpha, contact Heathrow direction 119.725.
19725, speedbird 72, Heathrow, I'd like to point.
09 left, 170 degrees at less than 5.
We're getting rescued.
Understood.
But speedbird is up with you again at 7.5 miles.
Paper 72 Alpha, thank you. Continue runway 09 left, wind light and variable.
Full side of the aircraft ahead of me, let's go around.
I'll get that in just a sec. Break Singapore 30, it's cleared to land runway 09 left, 150 degrees less than 5.
Clear land runway 09 left, Singapore 30.
Alpha, cleared to land, runway 09 left, winds 160 degrees, 5 knots.
Clear land 9 left, speed 72 Alpha. Yes, for today, only 10 and 9, 7 uniform, 9 left, 9 left, 3.
Alpha, Sergeant 97 uniform, continue 09 left, 170 degrees, 5. And that's Foxtrot Charlie Bravo 326.
Foxtrot Charlie Bravo 326.
Thank you. So an A320. Just a quick observation from me. I cannot confirm, but I think they may have slowed a little bit outside 4D2. That might help to catch up. Also, they landed a little bit deep, which of course, well within the touchdown zone, but a little bit deep. I think that's why they missed the exit. So that's it really for me. That's why I think there just wasn't enough room for the landing.
Okay, that's very helpful. Thanks a lot.
and just with me still for the time being, brakes speed 883, right Alpha, hold short Delta. Alpha, hold short Delta, speed is not just reference going through 3,000 feet, but we've put something in, and we can look at that then when the time comes.
Yeah, no, we have done as well, so thanks for that. So.
Okay, speed 70 off, thanks for your help, contact ground on 121.9.
121 on 372, thanks for your help again, and have a good day.
Yep, you too, thank you. Brakes speed 882, sorry, 883, contact ground on 121.9.